We have introduced a new text tool which lets you to filter whether the formatting has to be applied for the particular selected slide or to the speaker notes pages. For example, for slide page, select slide page for the speaker notes alone if you would like to have the speaker notes to be in the uppercase. I select two or three slides and hit uppercase, selecting speaker notes pages. This will uppercase the speaker notes, and if you'd like to have both, select both and you hit. This action is applicable for all the text tools. If you'd like to change the font to Arial 14, or let me choose to 18, and I increase the font, the font is increased for the slides as well as the speaker notes. Specifically for the speaker notes alone, choose speaker notes pages and perform the action. And this will increase the font size of all the three selected slides. Okay, let's try with rainbow text for the speaker notes. Okay, the rainbow highlighter is applied. And if you would like to center align the text, and this will also be applied for the notes page. Thank you.